Metal mounting backstrap. 9-inch each. Designed with the installer user in mind. Proven and tested for durability and function in real-world conditions. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed to finish the install of my aftermarket stereo in my '93 Civic. A pain to get it in and all set, but now I know it won't be going anywhere on a whim. Plus, if someone decided to try stealing it, they'll have a bit of a battle. Pros. Strong but pliable. Won't bend under stress from supporting lightweight combined with bumps. No cons that I found. It is simple and does what it says it will do. Works great for my project. Used the metal mounting for the blinker load resistor. Bends and cuts easy. Bolted on the existing engine bay bolts and looks neat.